Can the alias to dot. Sometimes when I want to change to the parent directory, I mistakenly type cd instead of cd. Is there a way I can make bash consider these statements to be the same? I never use commas in my commands. Ideally, I would like to alias to dot. When I tried this, it didn't work. Why didn't this work? How else can I approach this problem?
ZSH. If you're using ZSH, alias G equals ... is what you need, but this will cause to be expanded everywhere, not only when used with CD. From manch built-ins. If the G flag is present, define a global alias. Global aliases are expanded even if they do not occur in command position. Bash. If restricted to bash, as the question is tagged with bash, read the following. This is a pure alias solution, as requested, however this will do more than required, possibly frustrating the user. See the warning at the end of my post. Quoting, man bash. If the last character of the alias value is a blank, then the next command word following the alias is also checked for alias expansion. Therefore it's enough to alias cd with an extra space, to allow expanding of its next argument, and then alias, to, ... See that. Gives exactly what you need. Note that this is correct not only for bash and its alias implementation, but all POSIX compilant shells. Quoting an example from man1p alias, the manual does not describe this feature explicitly, only through an example. Set up nohup so that it can deal with an argument that is itself an alias name. Warning. As Peter Cords writes in his comment, it will automatically cause other aliases to expand when written after CD. It may require you to write cd \grep if you want to change directory to one named grep but your grep is an alias for grep color equals auto. Without the \, CD will report too many arguments error, you can't CD to two directories at once.
Aliases aren't meant to do this, but you can create a function called cd that is a wrapper for the real cd. This one works for me. Just put it into your .bash_profile, or your profile file of choice. Or, with comments and pretty formatting. Edit. Thanks at Robert for pointing out that if then else is better here than and amp semicolon and amp vertical bar. Also, I just realized, facepalm, that this implementation will only work if any non-path arguments, i.e., LP, are not the first argument. So be warned, if you have a bad habit of typing CDL, this isn't going to help you. And that is non-trivial to handle correctly, I think.
Aliases must be the first word of a command. Also, the alias must be substituted for a word, therefore no spaces. Bash Reference Manual, Aliases. Aliases allow a string to be substituted for a word when it is used as the first word of a simple command. You could alias both, ... and, to be, cd ...
Another way to make ... change the directories to enable Bash's autoct feature. That'll automatically change the directory when you enter the name of one. you still have to make an alias for, but that can be done with just alias equals ...